In this video, we are solving the Core Maths 2017 questions, question 4. So question 4a. A trader purchased 10 dozen eggs at 300 naira per dozen. On getting to his shop, he found that 20 eggs were broken. How much did he sell the remaining eggs if he made a profit of 10%? So let's begin with the solution for this question. So solution. So from the question, we know that our cost price is 300 naira. So cost price is equal to 300 naira. And we know that profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. And then percentage profits is equal to our profits over our cost price times 100%. Now from the question, we don't know the selling price, so let selling price be equal to X. So let selling price be equal to X. So our profit becomes selling price, which is X, minus our cost price, which is 300 naira. Now we know that from the question, our profit percent is 10%. So 10% is equal to our profit, which is X minus 300, all over our cost price, which is 300. Times 100%. Percentage cancels percentage. This cancels this. So we have 30 is equal to X minus 300. So then making X the subject, we have X to be equal to 300 plus 30. So X will be equal to 330 naira. And then we know that our X is our selling price. So we say, therefore, selling price will be equal to 330 naira. So that's it for the question 3a. So moving on to, so that's it for question 4a. Moving on to question 4b. 35 colored balls were shared among 4 teams, such that one team takes all the red balls. So number of balls. Number of balls is equal to 35. And then one team takes all red balls. The remainder of the balls is shared to the other teams in the ratio 4:3:2. So when all the red balls are taken, the number of balls left will be equal to the total number of balls, which is 35, minus the number of red balls, which we don't know. So let's represent by R. Now we are saying that the remainder is shared to the other teams in the ratio 4:3:2. So it's shared in the ratio. So our ratio is 4:3:2. The smallest share was 6 balls. How many red balls were there? So the smallest share was 6 balls. And the smallest ratio here is 2. So 2 is to 6 balls. Now our total ratio will be, total ratio will be 4 plus 3 plus 2. 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 2 is 9. So we know that our total ratio should be equal to the number of balls that was shed. So 9 should be equivalent to 35 minus R. So the smallest share would get 2 over 9 times 35 minus R. But the smallest share was 6 balls, so it will be equal to 6. Now multiplying this by 9, we'd have 9 times 2 multiplying 35 minus R all over 9 is equal to 6 times 9. So 9 cancels 9, we'll be left with 2 into brackets 35 minus R is equal to 54. So 2 times 35 we have 70, and 2 times R we have minus 2R is equal to 54. So grouping like terms, we have minus 2R is equal to 54 minus 70. We have minus 2R will be equal to minus 16. Now to make R the subject, we divide both sides by minus 2. So we have divided by minus 2 divided by minus 2. Now minus 2 cancels minus 2, we'll be left with R. And then minus 2 cancels minus 16, we have 8. So our R is equal to 8. Therefore, we can say that the number of red balls is equal to 8. So that brings us to the end of question 4B. If you like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.